In this quick tutorial, let me show you how you can find photo size on your iPad, and let's get started. If you're new to this channel, don't hesitate and subscribe right now, as you don't want to miss videos like this one. But essentially open up the settings, the Photos app, and you can get into your photos or videos. But each time you want to check out more information about it, just swipe up on it and some other options will appear. So you can see we have some additional information like the date it was captured, the time, the title, but we also have the lens information if it was captured through a lens, and also the size. Like you can see that a photo of mine can be like 1 megabyte or more or less depending on the image. Plus we can also see the size in terms of the resolution, right? So how many pixels each side contains. So you can see 1000 by 1000 pixels, for example, or whatever. So this is another way of determining the size of a photo. So it is all right there. So yeah, it's again, you can swipe up on it, but you can also just tap on the information icon in the top right corner, which will make the same thing just show up as well. So it's pretty simple. So that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below, or if it worked. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.